Hello, Peter here again, your Pinoy accountant. So yung tanong naman dito is, what if malate kayo sa pag-file ng inyong BIR inventory list or hindi kayo makapag-file? Again, yung deadline is on January 30, so better to submit before that deadline date. So ang penalty niyan is 1,000 pesos. That is per RMC 57-2015. So nakalagay doon sa penalties, yung amount is 1,000 pesos. So, malaking halaga na din yon. But, my good news, as we all know, yung EOPT na signed into law na last year pa, January 2024. So, according to the EOPT, yung Section 45, yon letter D, so, yung mga fines related to that, yung mga late filing or yung hindi nakapag-file, yung reduced penalty niya is now 500 pesos. So, malaking halaga din yon. So, again, better to file your BIR inventory list before January 30, before the deadline to avoid yung mga penalties. Diba? 500 pesos is 500 pesos. So, malaking halaga na din yon. So, yun lang yung video natin for today. My name is Peter, your Pinoy accountant.